I'm Dion, your hair expert at Femina Flaunt. Today I'll be sharing my 5 tips with you. Tip 1. Use the right shampoo conditioner for your hair. If you have an oily scalp, use lightweight formulas, and if you have a dry scalp, use moisturizing products. Tip 2. Invest in a good brush. You can use a white tooth comb or you can use a wet brush to detangle your hair. This will help to prevent breakages. Tip 3. Deep condition your hair weekly so your hair stays hydrated and nourished. Tip 4. Use a heat protector. This will help to reduce heat damage and keep your hair healthy. Tip 5. Get regular trims between every 8 to 12 weeks. This will prevent split ends and keep your hair looking healthy.